Where have you been? And what happened to you?
Fell off my bike.
You don't have a bike.
That's code for don't ask.
Are you mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you. Why should I be? You are who you are, right?
What's that supposed to mean?
I was getting whooped by that bitch and you just stood there and watched!
I'm sorry, I was trying to get through. There were a lot of people in the way.
My fucking idiot? You were frozen like a damn snowman in the North Pole. I've had your back since day one. Do I have to remind you? We're living amongst wolves. Means you need to step the fuck up. Because you're the only one buying like a sheep.
Oh, I am, then why are you so pissed off?
Because sometimes I fucking hate how you are. I'm trying to toughen your ass up. You're the only person I have in this world to rely on.
Your mother, God damn it!
Need for you to see that you're pushing me.
Get your ass up, little bitch. And all you do is talk a bunch of shit.